This is the 2nd of May. We're at Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. Here's one of the samples that we've received. And when you see the other one, you'll see if this is the coarse or the sawdust. I think this is the sawdust. We're soaking it. It has to soak for 24 hours before we press it. And so we're getting ready. We'll run the test tomorrow. That's going smoothly enough. Here you can see a sample of each. That's the sawdust, and that's the porcelain material. And here you see the porcelain material compared to what we're calling sawdust. So at 15 psi, 3 bar pressure, 15 RPM on the screw. We're progressing nicely here. As soon as I see the white material is gone, we'll be able to start a timed test. We're running our timed test. That is, we have our container catching press cake, container catching press liquid. This material is very dry, slightly warm to the touch. That's because of friction. We're about a minute into the test right now, maintaining a full inlet hopper, making sure we don't get any bridging. That would throw off the results of the test. The bigger press, you don't have trouble with the bridging, but it's still feeding nicely. The screen, I forget the slot width on this. I'll get it and put it in later on. Cake coming out uniformly all the way around the cone. I don't need to increase that air pressure. That stuff's coming out dry enough. "15 RPM. We could probably be going faster, but I'll be conservative. By weighing the press cake and the press liquor, we know the throughput through the press under steady conditions. 3 bar air pressure, 15 RPM. Okay. We're emptying our drum of coarse material, and we are going on 4 minutes into our test. We'll probably get 4 minutes out of it. Feeding nicely. No sign of bridging. First test complete. We weighed our press cake and our we're emptying out the press. Okay, Jose is feeding in material. It'll follow the marker. Maybe we'll see the marker come out, and when it does, we'll make sure we're stable. We're sticking with 3 bar air pressure and 15 RPM on the screw. No sign of overloading the press. No sign of jamming. It's not wanting to trip out. It's not getting stuck. Consistent flow all the way around the cone. Oh, that's good. I haven't seen my marker. It could have blended in. So I'm about to start the, there's some marker. In a minute we're going to get rid of these trash barrels and start a time test with for steady operation. Our second test with the fine material. I'm calling it coarse and fine. We're a minute and a half into the test, catching press cake and press liquor. Coming out very nicely. No sign of any dripping around there. Uniform all the way around. steady flow of liquid. If we had more water or less water, it'd be the same. You just see less coming through the screen. The results coming out of the press would not be changed. We're a little over 3 minutes into the test, and we're not poking anything. It's going in on its own accord, no bridging.